Hey guys, what's up? It's Shrest and welcome to your 46th Java tutorial. So today we are going to talk about the keyword static. So we have been using the static keyword in the previous tutorials, but we didn't know what it actually does. So mm before that, one thing I don't know if you already know or not, the variables, the instance variables we make are a property of the object, like the only the object we make can access those instance variables. So now let's take a case where you are in a club and you want to know like how many members are there. So if you join a club, uh, the club will have one member, and if you and plus another person joins the club, the total members will be 2. So the member count belongs to everyone and everyone can access it. So that's what static keyword is useful for. And let's jump into the programming part. It will make it more clear. So for that, let's make our 2 instance variable here. So it is gonna be public. Let's keep it string and let it be first name, and the second one is again gonna be the public type, the string, and it is gonna be the last name. Looks good. Now again a public integer, but this time a static one, and it is going to be members. And let's initialize it with 0 because we don't have any member in our club. And after that, let's make an what we can do here. Okay, let's use constructor here. So static, and let's give it 2 arguments, not int. It's going to be string first name and string last name. And for the body, it is going to do is first name equals fn, the last name equals last name, and whenever the input is given, it is going to increase the members count by 1. So members plus plus, and I missed the G here. And one more thing we can do is let's print n statement here. So system dot out dot print line and print member name. Let's give a space here. Our addition, and it is going to be the first name, and we need a space, not this. Okay, and then we need our last name, and then we want to, okay, let me adjust the screen. Yeah, last name. Then what we want to do is we got our member name. Let's give a space. Wait, Okay, we got workspace and members. Let's show our members count. So members plus it is going to be members. So looks good. So let me readjust the screen. Yeah. So that's it for our constructor. Let's make an main method here. So public static void main string args, the square brackets, now body, and now let's make the objects. So for that it is going to be static, and member1 is equal to new static, and now this we need to give two arguments here. So the first one is going to be Shrestha, the second one is going to be Pandey. Okay, now let's do the same. At least we should have 3 members in our club. So 2 and 3. This should be our Winnie the Pooh here. So Winnie the Pooh, and here should be Mr. Valdemir. And let's see if our codes work. And so you can see member name Shrestha Pandey, the member count is 1. Again we made an object, again the member name, and this time we had the member count 2, and again the member 3 and its count. So how it is useful for us? So we didn't had to make an function or method which explicitly updated the instance variable here. We just made a common instance for all our objects. Unlike the first name and last name variables which are unique to the object, the static variable, or the purpose of the static keyword is to the purpose of the static keyword is to make the particular thing the thing, because not only for the instance variable we use static for our main method also. So make that particular thing accessible or common for all. So that's what the static keyword is. Hope I was able to explain it well, and make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.